Oh no, flat tire. Luckily, I'm equipped to handle this situation. Firstly, we have to take out our triangle to make sure that we are 100% safe for our safety and the people around us. And I don't know if everybody knows why we have these handy boards in the back of our cars. It's so that us ladies don't need to hurt our knees or tear up our very expensive sissy boy jeans today. First thing we have to look for after putting your triangle out, which is the most important, is your tools. You cannot change your tire without your tools. And ladies, the workshops always fit them so nice and tight for us. You'll also have a second set that you would definitely need, otherwise you're not going to get it right. So the tricky part, ladies and some of the gents, is to find spots. And if you look underneath your vehicle, make sure before the tire leaves the ground, so it mustn't be mid-air, so that we can take your spare wheel out and loosen the nuts. You want your spare wheel with you when you've loosened the nuts, so by the time the car is in the air, it's a quick swap over and get the original tire out the way. You don't want any obstacles around you when you're in the road busy changing your tire. So at the moment, my car's tire is still touching the ground slightly, and that is where I'm going to stop jacking up and I'm going to start loosening my bolts. Okay, so now we're going to start loosening our bolts. With your sneaker or shoe, jump on it, and there we go. You loosened it nicely. Okay, so now we've loosened all 4 nuts. Now we're going to start jacking up the car a little bit more because we need a bit of height to take it off. Otherwise, we will never get this baby off. If your jack is sitting like this, it's much easier to hold on to this part while turning. So you can turn it much quicker because we want to get out of this situation as fast as possible, but with safety first. So we're going to keep on going until we can see the tire has lifted. It's lifted off the ground nicely. There we go. And this would happen to us on the hottest day of summer. There we go. It's lifting nicely now. Okay. So now it's much easier to get it off. Ladies, please don't lose the nuts. That has happened to me when I was a child, and my mom never forgave me that we had to drive back home with 3 nuts because that was my only job, to keep the nuts safe. Almost there, ladies. It's a lot of work. I hope you phoned your husband and told him to get that ice cold cool drink ready for you because you want it the minute you walk in there. And then next time he can phone you when his tire is flat, and you can go show him how to get this job done. Okay, now it's time to get your hands dirty. You're going to take this tire off nicely. If you can, try and roll it out of the way where there is no obstacles, no traffic. We don't want anybody to get hurt today. Nicely put on the sidewalk. Hands dirty, we can clean them later. Then we're going to get out our spare wheel. We're almost there, ladies. We're almost there. You just turn it loose. Make sure it's loose all the way. There we go. Lift it up nicely. And it's not that heavy. I'm a little bit taller than Santa's little helpers, and I can get it done. So now, this is where the hard work starts. Ladies, it is a bit of hard work. I'm not going to lie. It's not easy. But we're going to get this done. So, lift it. Find your 4. You have to get it aligned. There we go. Huzzay! Try and put all 4 nuts on with your hand. Doesn't need to be tight. Let's just get them on. Okay, ladies. We've got our 4 nuts on. Once it's slightly turning, we're going to drop the car and tighten it fully. Okay, so now Ladies, please, I'm going to repeat this. Do not tie your bolts tight until the car is off the jack, wheels solidly on the floor. It's very important. Okay, so now we've done this, they are tight. I think it's safe for us to now jack the car down. So you can pull up your trusty magic carpets that you get for free in every Suzuki that you buy. Okay, so now we're going to put the hook in again, and we're one step closer to that ice cold water at home, and obviously the bragging rights with our husbands and boyfriends, because I bet you we can do this better than they can do it at the moment. Then we're going and we're going. It's coming slowly. As you can see, the tire is now slightly touching the ground. Okay, so ladies, you can see it's loose. When it starts moving, you are safe to take it out. You can take your hook back out. Remember to please try and put your tools back where you got them, so that next time this happens, you're not going to panic and run around and looking for your tools like we look for our keys in our handbags. Okay, so we've done that now. Car's solid on the road. Now we can tight these bolts nice and tight. Okay. Okay. Don't be scared to break a nail, ladies. This is your safety. A nail can be fixed, replaced and repaired. Your life cannot. Okay. Ladies, do not worry about this. You will not break your shoe. You will not. If you break a heel, that's fine. Suzuki Bassonia will love to see videos of you doing this. Bragging rights for the women driving Suzukis. Send us your videos and brag to us how this little lesson taught you how strong you can really be. There we go. Okay, ladies, I think we're good to go. There we go. Change the tire in this heaty day. Ready for that ice cold water at home and bragging rights with your husband. But please don't forget, with Suzuki, you get a 5-year, 200,000 unlimited. It doesn't matter where you are. AA assistance. AA will come out and assist you. If you, however, want to come to Suzuki Bassonia and get a lesson on your own, please come see me. I'm Cherise from Suzuki Bassonia. Please like and share all our content. See you next time.